Viewers, welcome to my channel IIT JEE Olympiads and AP Physics with Ambarish. So in the last video I had shared some tips for revising for IIT JEE Advanced, and some students had asked me the list of problems for quick revision from Irodov for IIT JEE Advanced. So in this video I'm going to present that list, and I want to say that there are many books in the market, and all the books have their own place, but as far as the pedagogy, learning pedagogy is concerned, no book can replace Irodov. Yes, Pathfinder is a great book, and there are many other good books. Shashi Bhushan Tiwari is there, and there's so many good problem books, but Irodov is Irodov. No book teaches you concepts in a systematic manner as Irodov. One who has done the Irodov problems step by step, all the recommended problems, your concepts will be crystal clear, and towards the end you should also practice the problems which will bring your hold on the concept. So Irodov problems are the best for getting a hold on the concepts if you want to quickly review the concept. So without much ado, let me straight away get into the list of the problems. So there's not much I'm going to speak on in this. I'll just be presenting the list. So here we have the list for kinematics. There are about 5 problems recommended from kinematics, and laws of motion, again there are 5 problems. You can see the list. I'll also be providing the PDF to the list, the link, the PDF of the entire presentation in the description box. You can download from that link the entire thing. So laws of motion, and then we have this. These are the recommended problems of work, power, energy, and momentum conservation combined together. Then these are the problems from gravitation, rotational mechanics, and fluid mechanics, and also thermodynamics. Then for capillary effects, you can see on the screen the recommended problems for capillary effects. Then heat transfer and electrostatics, and current, electricity, and capacitors. Then these are the problems for magnetics and EMI, and SHM and alternating current. Then next we move on to the next topics. So wave motion and Doppler effect. These are the topics for ray optics. Actually in ray optics there are not many concepts. Most of the questions can be done just based on the formulae. So the list is very small for ray optics, about 4 problems. And for wave optics also similarly, mostly if you see the IIT JEE problems, they are mostly focused on YDSE, the standard theory. So there's not much to discuss in wave optics. So just I have recommended one problem. If you want, you can do all the other recommended problems also. I'll be also sharing later on a complete detailed list of all the recommended problems. These problems are just for quick revision. This is not the exhaustive list of recommended problems. Okay, so wave optics I've just recommended one problem, and then for modern physics this is the recommended list of problems. So this is what I wanted to share with you, and I hope you liked this video. So if you did find this video beneficial, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, and share this video as much as possible with your friends who might benefit from this list, and do give it a thumbs up. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.